Hey guys, nobody liked to buy pick in a poke, so I'm here to show you what exactly we put inside RENDER.CAMP Black Friday 2025. This offer includes very best of our main programs, Professional Visualization course and the Beginners course. And during the whole year, we've been running big professional training programs. And now we pick the most valuable, practical, inspiring of them and packed into a few different bundles. All of them will be waiting for you in your personal account in the RENDER.CAMP over here. So let me show you what exactly we put inside. Let's start with the beginner's course. Depending on the bundle you'll choose, you'll get 1, 2, or even 3 complete courses, all perfectly structured for people starting from scratch and guiding you step by step toward amazing final renders. So what exactly inside? In the interface block, you'll find all fundamentals, how to install software, understand the main functions, and of course navigation in 3ds Max. Then comes block with shapes, editable poly, and modifiers, where you'll learn how to model your first objects. Next, we dive into Corona render block, the heart of the process. And finally over here, the most important part, and actually that's what you buying. Live classes recordings. These are follow me lessons. You do exactly what Ira shows you while she clearly explains what she's doing and why. She'll walk you through every stage of the process, from the empty 3ds Max scene to the final result. Everything here is designed with beginners in mind, simply, practical, and rewarding. By the end, you'll know how to model in 3ds Max, use ready-made models, assets, set up lighting, create materials with the right feel, post-process your images, and even use AI tools. All the essential parts of modern interior visualization. Next, the Best of Professional Visualization course 2025. Depending on the bundle you choose, you'll get access to 15, 30, or 45 of top lessons this year. Each video is about 2-3 hours deep dive showing completely unique scene, different lighting, shaders, and moods. And in every one, I show how to use our methodology in real, complex situations and achieve the highest quality visual possible in this particular case. Each lesson comes with a project files we used in live. This is our students' modeled scene. They are not perfect, but I show there how to improve that. So you can follow along and step by step and recreate the same result. And also we decided to add additional lessons on AI tools, scene optimization, project workflow, composition, color harmony, animation, and shader creation in Corona Render, and even more. The most essential, in my personal opinion, lessons. But let me be clear, professional visualization isn't for beginners. It's for artists who already know the basics in 3ds Max and want to exactly level up their skills to get emotional, realistic, cohesive pictures. And of course, you can grab all the best of them in bundles for beginners and professionals. We put all together for you in 3 different bundles with incredible discount, up to 91% off. But one super important thing, this sale will be open only for 2 days, November 27 and 28. We'll send the purchase link directly to our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. So make sure you are there. And if you have any questions, remember our team always there in the chat. They are ready to help. So see you soon and happy Black Friday.